In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find MetaTrader 5 signal service. If you're using MetaTrader 5 and you want to access the signal service, the good news is that it's very quick to find once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where it is inside the platform so you can get there without wasting time searching through menus. To begin, make sure MetaTrader 5 is already open on your screen. What we need first is the toolbox panel, because that's where several important platform features are grouped together, including the signals section. If you don't currently see the toolbox area at the bottom of the platform, go to the top menu and click View. This menu gives you access to different panels and windows inside MetaTrader 5. From the View menu, click on Toolbox. As soon as you do that, the Toolbox panel should appear, usually along the lower section of the platform window. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Depending on your screen size or platform arrangement, the panel may appear docked in a slightly different position, but in most cases it will be along the bottom. Once the toolbox is visible, look toward the lower right area of that panel and find the Signals tab. Click on Signals to open it. This is the section where MetaTrader 5 displays the signal service, allowing you to view signal-related information directly from within the platform. If you don't notice it immediately, take a second to scan the tabs in the toolbox carefully. Sometimes users move quickly and overlook it, especially if several tabs are grouped together in a compact layout. The key thing is that the Signals option is inside the toolbox, not on the main chart itself. After opening the Signals tab, you'll be in the right place to continue exploring the service inside MetaTrader 5. This is the built-in area designed for signal access, so anytime you need to return to it later, just remember the path. View, then Toolbox, then Signals in the lower section of the platform. That's all there is to it. It's a simple process, but knowing the exact location can save you time and make navigating MetaTrader 5 much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.